In this video, we will take a look at one of the most awe-inspiring coins ever produced by the US Mint, the 2019 Reverse Proof Palladium Eagle coin. Here's a quick look at its obverse, and we'll get a little bit more detail on that later in the video. Moving over to the front of the box with United States Mint 2019 American Eagle 1-ounce Palladium Reverse Proof coin there. And you slide off the sleeve, and you'll see the lid of the box with the US Mint logo once again on it. And opening up the box, you will see that this coin comes with its own custom certificate of authenticity, with 2019 American Eagle 1-ounce Palladium Reverse Proof coin on there, along with the US Mint logo once again at the bottom. And opening up the COA, you will see that the coin specifications will be on the left, starting off with the denomination of $25, and then the finish, composition, diameter, weight, edge, mint, and the very important W mint mark customary to all Eagle proof coins. On the right, you'll see the coin design descriptions and the coin designer of Adolf A. Weinman there on the bottom. And moving over to the custom small briefcase that this coin comes in. Very cool packaging for this Palladium Eagle proof coin. You'll see the eagle with the shield, the branches, and the arrows, along with the E Pluribus Unum banner there. Customary design for many US Mint products. Opening up the case, you will see the gorgeous Palladium Eagle design, similar to the Mercury Dime design, which is one of the most famous in US Mint history. And take it out of its case here, see the design up close. There you see Lady Liberty there in the middle, with Liberty along the top, along with In God We Trust on the left, with the very important W mint mark there at the bottom along the left as well, with 2019 at the very bottom, and AW on the right for Adolf Weinman. And flipping over to the reverse here, with the eagle grasping a branch in its mouth resting in its nest, along with $25 on the left, United States of America there at the top, and 1-ounce PD .9995 fine E Pluribus Unum there at the bottom. Just one look at these coins and it is easy to see why these are going to be a collector's favorite. With the very limited mintage, I'm told by our product manager, these will only be available for a few weeks. Click the link in the description below to purchase one of these coins while you still can. Thank you for watching this video, and stack on.